So we actually got to see that it has fingers and toes and a head. Although I think that this is sort of a heart somewhere in there. There's another one. And I can't see it as well. It's sort of blurry. Here's one with his little hand raised. And his little alien eyes. And the last one is his back. The back of his head. Kinda crazy. Alien. That's an alien one right there. That one you can't see very well. That one you can see really pretty good. Cool. All right.